going to move order to buy at 136.42.5.
First call to tell her thank you, mother.
That seems only fitting. One quick last one. You're going to live in Gracie Mansion?
I'm not sure yet. I may spend some days there. I may spend some days over at my house in Bedford-Stuyvesant. I may kick up my feet like I do now, just sleep right in City Hall so I can get up early to execute my plan.
Okay, thank you so much. That's New York City Mayor-elect Eric Adams. And this is Bloomberg.
Is this it? Do I thank my mum again? Are you in charge of this?
Is she the only one?
Kill the music. You know who's in charge here.
You talk about hiring aggressively at the moment. Can you walk me through how challenging that is at the moment? How difficult is it to find the right people?
Well, things have changed. Again, the world has changed under the pandemic, and you all know worldwide, you know, what the challenges with getting people back into the workforce.
Okay, guys, position opened at 136.42.5. Okay, long position. Stay with me. If you manage to open position at this level, and stay with me, I will guide you through. We'll go until the end of this trade and we'll collect the profit. Okay?
Huge swaths of the island are still without power, running water, or access to medical care.
By the end of these half-hour exercises, I was drenched in sweat in a way that I never am when I work out alone. Training with a real person is great, whether that's your group instructor or your coach or your personal trainer. But humans, they're expensive. For the rest of us, this $60 gadget is all you need.
traders, let's move our stop for British pound to 136.43.5. It will give us £1,000 in profit. So all of you guys who followed me, who copied trade at about 2 o'clock, please move your stop to 136.52.5. Okay? Well done, guys. It was a good trade, and we're still on. We don't know when we're going to close this trade. If it will move higher, we will see what we're going to do, because we still, as you can see from our ticker, we still have several positions open, short position and long position on British pound. This is basically what it means to be day trader. You have to trade. You're not supposed to fall in love with the stock. If you want to fall in love, you need to be investor. We make money on day trading, so when we see chance, opportunity to make money, profit on short holding, we do that by trading Forex pairs. This, okay? Stay safe, guys, and let's see what's going to be happened with British pound. Okay? I'll speak to you later.
What does it take to change the world? A big army? A cure to a pandemic? A revolution? All of these take either a lot of people, thousands of hours, or massive amounts of space. But for Julian Assange, all he needs is one room, an internet connection, and the world will listen. Assange is located here, and more specifically, right here. And from that location, he's posted government secrets, classified documents, and leaked emails from some of the world's most powerful people.
Chairman Powell be a central banker next year. That's the conversation we haven't had. And I'm not being snarky about this. If you've got a plan and you want that plan to have credibility, I need to know who's executing the strategy.
Yes.
And right now we don't. So we can listen to Chairman Powell at 2:30 Eastern time for 60 minutes, Tom. He might only have another meeting after this one. That might be it after that. After that, going into next year, who knows where we're at for Chairman Powell.
This is the legacy of Greenspan and others. And John, unfortunately, you're correct. There's a freezing of confidence waiting to see which way that goes. And maybe the president, particularly after the politics of the last 24 hours, will decide he needs something to do, so he'll make a decision.
Can he lead a fractured committee, Lisa, a divided committee at a really important inflection point without a real deep understanding as to whether he will be the chairman of this Federal Reserve next year and beyond?
Yeah, guests have been saying on this show or on Bloomberg Surveillance in the morning that the person running the Fed will matter so much more this time than in previous cycles. You raise a good
To say that...
Okay, traders, as you can see, position closed on British pound. All of you guys who copied this trade this afternoon at 12 o'clock, as you can see, just right here, we closed our position. You probably noticed that before kind of news, such news, broker always increase its spread, yeah, between buy and sell offers. So we just closed, but we're fine, we're okay, because we made £1,000 in profit. For you guys, it's all about how much you invested, okay? If you want to get a strategy, you need to go to company.co.uk and purchase the strategy. It's not free. Nothing is free in this world, and especially if you want to become a day trader, professional day trader, you need to get knowledge and you need to pay for it. Okay, I'll speak to you later, guys. Let's move on. Let's see what other opportunity will bring us. Okay, by the way, we're going to have a webinar this Saturday. So all information is available right now on your screen. So if you want to register, I will provide 1 hour webinar. So please do register, and I will show you live. It won't be recorded. I never record webinars. It will be live. You can ask questions, and I will reveal the strategy, and I will show you how I trade, how we trade, how our company trades. Okay? Stay safe. I'll speak to you later, guys.
inequality issues, and that has the side effect of raising asset prices.
Scott Meinert, I want to go back to Pennsylvania in the brutal Wharton microeconomics, legendary folks. And there's a headline there on supply and demand imbalances. Which is it, Scott, that we need to pay attention to into 2022? Rebecca Patterson says watch demand and the demand boom, and many, many others say no, watch a supply dysfunction. Which is it?
Well, I think, Tom, that the demand side of the equation is clearly what's driving the prices for the time being. But, I have a lot of confidence in Adam Smith's invisible hand. And when you look at where we're seeing the price inflation, all of these things we're smallest in the world among our last, whether it be the number of airplane seats we sit in, or the number of hotel rooms that open up, or the number of automobiles that get built, or the number of chips that get made, even if we have to make the chips in the United States.
Hey, Scott, just a quick question. We'll come back to you in a second. I asked this of Mike, I'll ask it of you. If you had a question in this news conference in about 22 minutes, what would it be, Scott?
Are we just going to accept higher price levels, or will you actually, take the hard action which would induce a recession, which could be on the horizon in the next couple of years?
Oh, Scott, we got to come back to you on that one. Scott Meinert there on this market, and Lisa on this economy as well.
The idea here that what is the lesser of two evils at a time when the